We have an object. I'm going to add a second object. So we have a cube and a sphere. Now I'm going to make the sphere a child of the cube. And you'll notice that right here we have a little hierarchy structure. This little line indicates that the sphere is now parented to the cube, so that whatever happens to the parent, which is the topmost model, that will affect the sphere as well. So if I move the cube, the sphere will move as well. This is called parenting. And the sphere becomes a child of the parent, the cube. So that means that whatever I do to the cube or to the whole hierarchy structure, everything gets affected. So for instance, if I add a texture to the parent, it also gets assigned to the child.